Hello friends, welcome to my new video. I am Ashwini Salokhe. Today I am presenting a video in two parts. This is first part. Today we are going to learn English grammar. We will explore three very small but important words from our English language. Yes friends, my topic is articles. Though these words are very small, they are very significant in our English language. Let's see the definition of articles. First definition: an article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, object, or idea. Now, our second definition is: articles are the words which define whether something is specific or unspecific. I like to share extra information about articles. First point, they are classified as determiners. Second, articles function like demonstrative adjectives. This is additional information about articles. B. Types of articles. There are two types of articles. First, indefinite articles. Second, definite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. Now our next point is B1, indefinite articles. These are a and an. Let's see information about indefinite articles. The articles a and an are indefinite articles because they are used with a singular countable noun when the noun referred to is unspecific or generic. Now we will learn this with some examples. Our examples are a pen, a book, an apple, an orange. Here, pen, book, apple, orange, these are singular nouns, so we are using a and an before them. Now move to our next point, definite article the. The article the is a definite article because it is to show specific reference and can be used with both singular and plural nouns and with both countable and uncountable nouns. As we know, the is very important, so we will learn this with our next examples. Examples are the earth, the Ramayana. Here, earth and Ramayana are specific nouns, so we are using article the before them. Our next point is important rules about articles. C1, use of article a. And first rule is, before a singular countable noun begins with a consonant, we are using article a. Let's see some examples. A pen, a book, a cow, a girl. Here, P, B, C, G are consonants, so we are using article a before them. Our second rule is, before a singular countable noun begins with a vowel but having consonant sound, we are using article a before them. And our examples are a university, a unit, a 1 rupee note, a uniform. Here the word begins with vowel but they are having consonant sound, so we are using article a before them. Our next point is C2, use of article an. And the first rule is, before a singular countable noun begins with a vowel, we are using article an. Now we know vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So let's see some examples. An apple, an umbrella, an enemy, an ink pot. Here A, E, U, I, these are vowels, so we are using article and before them. Second rule is, before a singular countable noun begins with a consonant but having vowel sound, especially when words begin with silent letter H. Here we use article and before them. Now we will learn it with few examples. Our examples are an honest man. Here, though the word starts with H, the H is silent here, so they are having vowel sound, so we are using article and before them. Now, our next point is use of article the. The is very important, so there are some rules of using article the. First rule is to denote a particular person or thing or one already mentioned. Our examples are, the chain you gave me is lost. The book you want is out of print. Here, chain and book are common nouns, but the additional information, particular information you gave, you want, it is already mentioned. So, in such kind of situation, we are using article the before such nouns. Now we will move to our second rule, that is, when a singular noun represents a whole class, then we will use article the before them. And our examples are, the cow is a useful animal. The cat loves comfort. Here, cow and cat stands for the whole class. Though they are singular noun, they are representing the whole class, so we are using article the before them. Third rule is, with the names of rivers, seas, gulfs, group of islands, mountain ranges and newspapers, we are using article the before them. We will learn it with few examples, and our examples are the Ganga, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Sahara Desert, the Himalaya, the Times of India. Now we can see Ganga, Red Sea, these are the names of some rivers, seas, gulfs or mountain ranges. So we are using article the before them. Our fourth rule is before the names of certain books. These books are holy books. They are famous in whole world. So we are using article the before such kinds of holy books or such names of these books. The Ramayana, the Puranas, the Vedas, the Bible. Now these are holy books, so we are using article the before them. Fifth rule is with nouns that are unique. There are few things which are unique, only one in the whole world. Earth, moon, sun, sky, these are unique names. These are unique in the whole world. So we are using article the before them. Our next rule is before a proper noun only when it is qualified by an adjective. At that time, we will use article the. Let's see some examples. The immortal Shakespeare, the great Caesar. Here Shakespeare and Caesar, they are proper nouns, but they are qualified by an adjective. So we are using article the before them. Now the seventh rule is that with superlatives, you know the degree, and superlative degree is very important, so we are using article the before superlatives. He is the best student in our class. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. Here best is the superlative degree of good and darkest is also superlative degree, so we are using the before them. Eighth rule is with ordinals, we will use article the. Examples: the ninth chapter of the novel was very interesting. She was the first girl to arrive. Here, ninth and first are the ordinals, so we are using article the before them. Next rule is before the names of musical instruments. Now, at these before these names, we are using article the. Let's see some examples. He can play the flute. I like to play the violin. Here, flute and violin are musical instruments, so we are using article the before them. Now, our next rule is with adjectives representing a class of person. Now, let's see some examples. The rich don't know how the poor live. We must look after the elderly. Here, rich stands for the whole class of person, poor stands for the whole community. So we are using article the before such kinds of adjectives which represent the whole class of person. Now the last rule is that as an adverb with comparatives, we will use article the before them. Let's see some examples. The more, the merrier. The more they get, the more they want. Here, more and merrier are comparatives, so we are using article the before them, which works as adverb in this situation. Now, we will see important rules of articles a and the in short. So, let's see the basic uses of articles. Now, let's see first definite article the. It is used before singular or plural countable or uncountable nouns. Examples are the sun, the Ramayana. Now the second is indefinite article a. Now the information is it is used before a singular countable noun begins with a consonant or consonant sound. Now examples are a boy, a university. Here B is consonant and U is consonant sound. Now the third rule, indefinite article an. Now let's see some short information about this. It is used before a singular countable noun begins with a vowel or vowel sound. Examples are an apple, an hour. Here A is vowel and H is vowel sound which is silent. So in this situation we use an. Now we will learn the information through a chart. Let's see a chart. Rule 1. If specific identity not known, then before countable nouns we should use a or an, and before uncountable nouns we should not use any article. Rule 2. If specific identity is known, then before countable nouns we can use the, and before uncountable nouns also we can use article the. Now the last rule is that all things or things in general. At that time, before countable nouns and uncountable nouns, we should not use any article. This is important chart which we learn for the articles. Now, thanks friends for watching my video. We will visit in our next video with remaining information. Till then, bye bye. Take care.